Hello students, we are doing chapter number 12 linear equation and inequalities in one variable. In last video we did 12.2 exercise till question number 9 and today we will start from question number 10. The digit of a two-digit number differ by 3 if the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. What can be the original number? So here it is given that we have a two-digit number. Two-digit number means two places will be there. One digit will be at unit place and one digit will be at 10 place. So we will take let ones place digit is x and tens place digit is now hint is given the digits of a two digit number differ by 3 means if at one place 2 is there then another place 3 difference number will be there, so we can write it as x plus 3. If it is here 2 then here we have 5. Like this we have two numbers. Now the original number will be, now remember this x plus 3 has 10 place, so we need to multiply it with 10 and then we have to add ones digit. For example, if you have two digit 2 and 5, in that case we will read it as 52, means this number we have to multiply with 10, 50 and then plus 2, then it will become 52. So always remember the tens place we have to multiply with 10, one place as it is because we have to multiply with 1, so no need to write into 1. So if you expand it you will get 10x plus 30 plus x, and little more you simplify you will get 10 plus 1 11x plus 30. So this is our original digit. Now second thing they told, if the digit are interchanged. Digit are interchanged means the tens place digit will go to the ones place and ones place will go to the tens place. These two places we have to interchange. Then after interchanging, ones place digit will be x plus 3 and tens place digit will be x. Both we have to interchange. Then the new number we will get will be, now 10 place is x, so it means we have to multiply it with 10 then plus ones digit x plus 3. So we will get here 10 plus 1 11x plus 3. Now according to the question, if the digit are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. This is the resulting number and this is the original number. If we add these two we will get 143. Now according to the question, original number plus new number is equal to 143. So original number we have 11x plus 30 and new number we have 11x plus 3 equal to 143. Now 11x plus 11x will become 22x, 30 plus 3 will become 33 equal to 143. 33 we can shift another side. So 143 minus 33 we will get 110. So x value will be 110 divided by 22. After cancellation you will get here 5. So the value of x is 5. So we can find out now ones digit is 5 and tens digit is x plus 3 means 5 plus 3 8. So the number will be, original number will be 80. 8 into 10 plus 5 means 85. Next question number 11. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 11. When we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 63. Find the 2-digit number. So here sum of 2 digit is given. If we take one's digit is x, so another one will be 11 minus x, because their sum is 11. Suppose it is 5, so next will be 11 minus 5, 6, and when we add 6 and 5, answer will be 11. So like this we can take. Then original number will be this 10 digit, tens place digit we have to multiply with 10 and then add to the ones place. So 10 into 11 minus x plus x will get 110 minus 10x plus x, and when we will simplify, here we will get 110 minus 9x. Now next thing they told here, when we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 63. Now we have to interchange the digit. So after interchanging, ones place is ones place digit will be 11 minus x and tens place digit will be x. Both the places we have to interchange. Then new number will be 10 into tens place digit means x plus 11 minus x. 10x minus 1x will become 9x. 9x plus 11 is the new number. Now according to the question, when we interchange, it is found that the resulting number is greater than the original number and by 63. So according to the question, new number is greater than original number by how much? 63. So if we take the difference between these two numbers, it will come 63. So new number is 9x plus 11 and original number was 110 minus 9x equal to 63. Now we can simplify it. 9x plus 11 minus 110 plus 9x equal to 63. So 9x plus 9x will become 18x and 110 minus 11 will become minus 99 equal to 63. 18x is equal to 63 plus 99. We can add 162. So x is equal to 162 divided by 18. It will go 9 times. So the value of x is 9. Now we can find out the original number. Our original number was, you can see here we calculated 110 minus 9x. Directly we can substitute value here, 110 minus 9x. So 110 minus 9x means 9 into 9, 81. Can subtract here, 29 we will get here after subtraction. So original number was 29. Next question number 12. Ritu is now 4 times as old as his brother Raju. In 4-year time, her age will be twice of Raju's age. What is their present age? So we will start from their present age. Let Raju's present age is x. X years. Then Ritu's present age will be in question it is given she is 4 times as old as his brother, so she will be 4x years. Now next they told here in 4-year time. In 4-year time means after 4 year we have to think. So after 4 year first we will calculate their age. After 4 years Raju's age will be, we have to add 4 to this, x plus 4 years, and Ritu's age will be, presently her age is 4x, so after 4 years it will become 4x plus 4. Now according to the question, it is given after 4 years she will be twice of her brother. Ritu will be twice of her brother. Ritu's age will be twice of Raju's age. This is given in question. Now Ritu's age after 4 years, it is 4x plus 4, and this 2 is as it is, and Raju's age is x plus 4. Now we got our linear equation. We have to solve it. So first 4x plus 4, and right side when we remove the bracket we will get 2x plus 8. 2x you can shift this side, 4x minus 2x is equal to 8 minus 4, and 2x is equal to 4. So the x value is 4 by 2 means 2. It means her brother is 2 years old, and she will be, now we can write, therefore Raju's present age is 2 years, and Ritu, she is 4 times of her brother, so her age will be 4 times of 2 means 8 years. Next question number 13. A father is 7 times as old as his son. 2 years ago, the father was 13 times as old as his son. How old are they now? Now means we have to calculate their present age. So, let son's present age is x. Then father age will be, in question it is given father is 7 times as old as his son. So father will be 7x years. Now next statement, it is given 2 years ago. 2 years ago means we have to go in past. Means we have to subtract 2 years from their age. So 2 years ago, son's age was x minus 2, and father's age was seven x minus 2. From the present age we will subtract 2 years for both of them. Now 2 years ago the father was 13 times as old as his son. So what was the condition according to the question? 2 years ago father was 13 times of son's age. Times means we have to multiply 13 with son's age. 13 times of son's age. Now we can substitute the values here. Father age 2 years ago was 7x minus 2, and the son age was x minus 2. Now we can remove this bracket. 7x minus 2 is equal to 13x minus 26. 7x minus 13x. 13x we can shift here, and minus 26 plus 2. So 13 minus 7 we will get 6x is equal to minus 24. Minus 6x is equal to minus 24. So minus to minus we can cancel, and 6 we can shift another side. We will get 24 by 6 means 4. So son age is 4 years. Now we have to find out the father age. Therefore son's present age is 4 years, and father's present age is father, according to the question, he is 7 times of son. So 7 into 4, 28 years. Next question number 14. The age of Sona and Sonali are in the ratio of 5:3. 5 years hence the ratio of their age will be 10:7. Find their present age. So because here ratio is given for their age, we can take, let Sona's age is 5x and Sonali's age is 3x years. This is their present age. Now 5 year hence, 5 year hence means in future. So after 5 year we will calculate their age. After 5 years Sona's age will be, we have to add 5 to their age, 5x plus 5 years, and Sonali's age will be 3x plus 5 year. Now according to the condition, after 5 years the ratio of their age is 10:7. So their age ratio means Sona's age by Sonali's age is 10:7. Now we can substitute value here. Sona's age is 5x plus 5 and Sonali's age is 3x plus 5, which is equal to 10/7. Now this equation we can solve. First we need to cross multiply. We will get 7. 5x plus 5 is equal to 10. 3x plus 5. We can multiply. 7 5 35, x plus 35 is equal to 30x plus 50. Variable we can shift one side. 35x minus 30x is equal to 50 minus 35. We will get here 5x is equal to 15. So x value will be 15 by 5, 3 we will get. So x is 3. Now we can find out their present age. Therefore Sona's present age is, we have taken in starting according to their ratio 5x and 3x. So x value we can substitute there. 5x means 5 into 3, 15 years. And Sonali's present age is 3x means 3 into 3, 9 years. So in this today's video we will do till here only. Remaining questions we will continue in next video. Thank you for watching this video.